in the previous video, I showed you how to do a very simple keyword search. And the example that we were working from is, suppose you're getting a divorce and you want to find out some information about child support. And so we entered these keywords, divorce, child and support, and I have asked CanLII to look for the exact phrase child support and to not look for derivative words like supporting or supported and that kind of thing. So which is why the operator exact is used. Now you will see that, of course, even having 3 keywords, you're basically coming up with still a lot of results, about 20,000 cases and 133 pieces of legislation. So there's an awful lot to go through, and we don't want to do that. And so what I usually suggest to people is that they should throw in more keywords to narrow down the results list. So let's say that in your situation, you want to find out whether you're obliged to support your child through the university education. So you will put in the keywords, the phrase university education, and let's do a search and see what happens. So remember, we have 20,000 cases to begin with, so let's see what happens. So if you even just by adding an additional keyword phrase, you've already narrowed down the search results a lot. Now you're down to 610. Another example I want to show you is suppose you in the child support subject, you are actually interested in whether you have to support your child through ongoing, not just university education, but graduate school. So then you would type in the phrase graduate school, and you're going to find out what comes up. In fact, there are even less cases that come up, about 49 cases, and there are actually no legislation to worry about. So you can see that just by adding more keywords that are specific to your situation, you've narrowed down your search list to a much more manageable result. So in the next few videos, I'm going to show you how you can refine the search even more so that you're going to get even more relevant results. So thanks for watching, and stay in touch, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.